Question 20, number 1 of the tornadoes section. What scale do we use to measure tornadoes and what is its range? A. Saffir-Simpson scale 0 to 5. B. Enhanced Fujita scale 0 to 5. C. Enhanced Fujita scale 1 to 5. Or D. Saffir-Simpson scale 1 to 5. Question 2. The most destructive and deadly tornadoes occur from these, which are thunderstorms with a persistent rotating updraft. A. Supercells. B. Mesocyclones. C. Hydrocyclones. Or D. Thermal cells. Question 3. What is the average lead time for a tornado? A. 1 hour. B. 8 minutes. C. 15 minutes. Or D. 13 minutes. Question 4. This is a nickname for an area that has more tornadoes than other parts of the United States. The area that has the most strong and violent tornadoes includes eastern South Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, northern Texas, and eastern Colorado. Is that Tornado Alley, Tornado Lane, Thunderstorm Alley, or Tornado Central? Question 5. Tornadoes kill about 60 people a year, mostly due to what? A. High winds. B. Debris. C. Exposure. Or D. Being thrown. Question 6. In this day and age, why are scientists still unable to predict when a tornado will form? A. Our technology isn't advanced enough to fully track thunderstorms. B. The same types of storms sometimes make tornadoes and sometimes don't. C. The sensors they have placed into tornadoes have failed. Or D. The data that they generated takes too long to process, and by then the tornado has formed. Question 7. What determines the different levels of the tornadoes or its scale? A. The strength of the storm surge. B. The money spent on cleanup. C. The type and severity of damage caused by wind. Or D. The wind speed. Question 8. Tornadoes. A. Can occur anytime conditions are right. B. Only occur in the spring and summer. C. Can only occur in the Western Hemisphere. Or D. Occur one at a time. Question 9. Most tornadoes fall into which category? A. EF0, EF1. B. EF2, EF3. C. EF4, EF5. Or D. None of the above. Question 10. When does a funnel cloud become a tornado? A. When the wind speeds reach 65 miles per hour. B. When the rotation reaches critical mass. C. When the funnel cloud touches the ground. Or D. When a mesocyclone starts to spin. Question 11. All of the following are things that determine how deadly or destructive a tornado is, except what? A. The intensity of the winds. B. The time of day it happens. C. The height of the storm surge. Or D. The location of the tornado. Question 12. What is the most significant thing that can be done to prevent loss of life in the event of a tornado? A. Sturdy construction. B. Increased warning time. C. Trained emergency workers. Or D. Increased safety drills. Question 13. A what means or is issued when conditions are right for a tornado? A fonal cloud, B, tornado warning, C, tornado emergency, or D, tornado watch. Question 14. Which of the following is the order in which a tornado forms? A, fronts, thunderheads, mesocyclone, funnel cloud, tornado. B, thunderheads, fronts, funnel cloud, mesocyclone, tornado. C, thunderheads, fronts, mesocyclone, funnel cloud, tornado. Or D, fronts, thunderheads, funnel cloud, mesocyclone, tornado. Question 15. In addition to having a storm chaser report from the ground that a tornado has touched down, scientists can alert the public of tornado formation in real time based on information they gather using technology, especially this. A, high-speed cameras, B, planes, C, weather balloons, or D, radar. Question 16. The three types of tornadoes are A, narrow, wide, and twisting, B, low, medium, high, C, weak, strong, and violent, or D, strong, violent, extreme.